Hello, it's Abu Salam.
Hi, hi.
Hi, how are you? I'm very, very good. Kazakhstan?
Yeah. What about you? Where are you from?
I'm from India. My name is Taha. You know Surah Taha from Quran? Yeah, I am Muslim.
Mashallah. That's great. Me too.
I am kind of interested in Farsi, Turkish, and Arabic.
Would you like me to teach you some phrases in Turkish? You would say selam to greet people in Turkish. You can say just merhaba, merhaba. You see? Or you would say nasılsın. You would say iyiyim. İyi görünüyorsun. İyi görünüyorsun diyorsun. You would say evet.
Evet means yes, and of course means elbette.
Yeah. You would say teşekkürler. Yeah, right, that's right. Teşekkür ederim is a formal way of saying that. Would you wanna say that?
Rum.
Yes, ben
Ben
seni seviyorum.
seni seviyorum. Can you accept my friend request?
Oh yeah, sorry. You've got 500 friends in Discord?
No, 499. I need one more. Like this.
Yeah, I say you like absorb other people's like accents, you know, while speaking. I say
Yeah.
if you speak to our people more, you'll start speaking in Arabic accent, American. And now actually my accent is really mixed. I kind of mix British and American, you know. Elderly people, old people don't speak English. It's mostly the young people, you know.
They just read textbooks and novels and that, so their English isn't that good.
Yeah. However, they don't actually speak it, you know. They don't actually use the language. So actually, that's a really big problem, I would say.
Yeah,
Because to speak, let's say, to know a language, you have to speak that, you know, to have to practice that.
Yeah, you have to speak that.
It's one more problem, you know, the language barrier. They have that kind of language barrier, and like, they're just not confident enough to speak to real people. The more you speak, the more you gain confidence. Everything is hard in the beginning, I would say.
And you know, I have to go for lunch now.
Oh, for lunch, okay.
Yeah, it was nice talking to you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
See ya.